didn't do so great on that quiz, that's okay. Or maybe you're just here for some extra review. Either way, this is Fact and Opinion, lesson number 3. This time we're going to be evaluating some facts and opinions. To distinguish between a fact and an opinion, you decide whether or not a statement can be proven. So we decide whether or not a statement can be proven. So a fact is a statement that can be checked and proved to be true. Whereas an opinion is a statement of feeling or judgment. An opinion in the passage often shows how the author feels about a subject. You can use graphic organizers to help you distinguish between fact and opinion. In the first column, write the statements that can be proved. In the second column, write the statements that cannot be proved. Let's practice. Read the paragraph below. Which statement is an opinion? As they do every fall in Virginia, the slim leaves of the willow tree in the park had turned yellow, and the broad leaves of the red maple blazed a brilliant red. Lauren and her mom inhaled the crisp air. "The colors are beautiful," Lauren's mom said. Suddenly, a huge shadow soared over them. So then I make a column, 2-column chart. It says facts on one side, opinions on the other. So facts we can prove, and opinions we cannot prove. Okay. The facts column is already filled out for us. Facts. As they do every fall in Virginia, the slim leaves of the willow tree in the park had turned yellow, and the broad leaves of the red maple blazed a brilliant red. This is something that I can look up and find out. Now I think about what might not be proved. So I know that this first statement, has already been used. This was a fact. Lauren and her mom inhaled the crisp air. This is basic narration, but we could probably find out if they have inhaled the air or not. The colors are beautiful, Lauren's mom said. Beautiful. That's a signal word right there. So I have a feeling this may be the statement that I'm writing in this opinions box. The colors are beautiful, Lauren's mom said. Suddenly, a huge shadow soared over them. That again is narration, so that's something we can look up. There's nothing specific about that. So I'm going to take this sentence right here. The colors are beautiful. And we're going to write that in this box right here. So you should be writing this statement, the colors are beautiful, in this box here. Let's learn a new reading strategy. When you summarize, you retell the most important parts of a passage in your own words. As you read, you look for the most important ideas or events. I'm going to squeeze in ideas here. After you read, you restate the most important parts of the passage in the order that they were told or written. So in the order that they were written. Okay, moving on. Let's practice. Read the passage. Use the notes on the side to help you. Then answer the questions on the next page. The accidental pelican. As they do every fall in Virginia, the slim leaves of the willow tree in the park had turned yellow, and the broad leaves of the red maple blazed a brilliant red. Lauren and her mom inhaled the crisp air. "The colors are beautiful," Lauren's mom said. Suddenly, a huge shadow soared over them. "What was that?" Lauren asked. They both watched a large white bird land at the lake's edge. "That's a really odd-looking bird. I think it's a pelican," her mom said, astonished. "But they don't live this far north. I wonder how it got here." Lauren and her mom wanted to learn more about the pelican, so they stopped by the library. Lauren flipped through a book on birds native to North America. She read, "The American white pelican spends the winter along the southern coast and in Mexico, and the spring and summer in the Midwest. Sometimes during their migration south, pelicans can be blown off course by storms. She added, "We did have that awful storm the other day." Her mom agreed. "Yes, it was probably carried here by the wind. I hope it finds its way south. The book said these pelicans were once at risk of disappearing altogether," Lauren said. "I think it will be fine," her mom said reassuringly. Oh, look, here's a picture of a pelican. Reread this story using these reading strategies. So, opinion, look for clue words. Make sure you know, what does Lauren's mom think she saw. So this is going to be in this paragraph here. I want you to underline what Lauren's mom thought she saw. Then, for facts, look for details. Which statement about white pelican can be proved? So, looking for this one. Which statement can be proved? I want you to circle this one. And summarize. Identify important events. How would you retell this story? All right? So, I'll set you up with a summary, right? So, we're going to write first. Okay. Tell me what happens first in the story. Okay. Then, tell me the next thing. After that, and finally. So tell me all of the events that happened in this story. Make sure that you're actually writing those out and not just drawing those lines. So you're rereading and completing these items. Underlining the clue words for opinion, circling the detail about the fact, and then summarizing the most important events using this sentence frame. When you're ready to move on, turn the page. We're on this last page of the packet. These are questions you'll complete on your own. Read each question. Circle the letter of the best answer. Number 1. Which clue word signals an opinion in the third paragraph? We've got to go back to that third paragraph. Let's take a look. Here I see. All right. Third paragraph. 1, 2, 3. So I'm looking for a clue word in this paragraph. Number 2. Which statement in the third paragraph is a fact? Good thing I've already noted that paragraph. Number 3. Which statement can be proved? So can be proved means I'm looking for a fact. Okay. Number 4. Which statement is a fact? So something that can be proved. Number 5. What does the statement, "I hope it finds its way south," show about Lauren? Ooh, I have to make an inference here. Once you've completed this, you are done with this packet. Make sure that you have tracked all of the items from fact and opinion. Congratulations. Move on to your next topic.